Dear aspirants, my school gave me a great base. I studied well. I played a lot of games, developed a lot of officer-like qualities. I had wonderful teachers and I had wonderful friends. Your friends, your teacher and atmosphere around you really play a great role in making an officer out of you.
बस ये तो तेरे अंदर की सच्ची कहानी तेरे अंदर का लावा फट के बाहर आने दे आने दे आने दे आने दे.
In my college also, I had wonderful friends, a wonderful company, and you will be surprised to know we were 5 of us and all are defense officers. That kind of friend circle I had. After my college, I joined army as an officer और मैं यकीन रखता हूँ कि आप भी इसी तरह की ड्रीम रखते हैं. मैं समझता हूँ कि किस तरह की दिक्कतें स्टूडेंट को आती है. बहुत सारे इंटेलिजेंट स्टूडेंट्स अलग अलग कारणों से दे गेट रिजेक्टेड एंड स्पेशली वन ऑफ द मोस्ट आई फील अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग टू नोट इज दैट पीपल गो अंडर प्रिपेयर्ड एंड स्पेशली इन द फर्स्ट चांस. Good student, they go with overconfidence. Now I'd like to share some of the experiences of the overconfident cadets. I'll give you a very live example. On graduating, we went to collect our mark sheets and met our professor. And some of the students, they had collected, somebody was coming, somebody is going to the office. And we met one of the professor who used to play hockey with us, and there was a student for whom he had a slightly extra liking. You can call him that. One of his blue-eyed student was also there, and then he says, result aa gaya. It was just to start a conversation. Professor was aware people are collecting mark sheets, but he said, result aa gaya. So his favorite student said, yes sir. Then he said, how was the result? He said, sir, very good. What is your score? Sir, wonderful. He said, which division? He said, sir, the best division. Just see, by now professor was frustrated. Because his best student was replying these answers. And professor moved out. This gentleman tells us, देखा प्रोफेसर ने जितने सवाल पूछे उन सबको मैंने क्या जवाब दिया. And everybody said, no, you never answered anything. That's how people talk. People do not know they don't know about themselves. They don't know anything about their native place. How it can be possible if a person, wherever he is staying, he may not know about his native place that much if he has not stayed there. But let us take wherever he has studied from 1st to 12th. He is clueless about that city. He do not have any facts and figure. Best way could have been, when you answer somebody's question, you should be so precise, so meticulous in that. Like he could have said, sir, I've got 72.5% marks with distinction in chemistry, and now I'm planning to take admission in Delhi University. Then professor would have advised him, or he could have asked another question. But that opportunity was missed by this gentleman. हम हमेशा अव्वल रहे, हम तो हो ही जाएंगे. Which is not there. You have to prepare. Scoring good marks in 12th or BA, BSc, BCom is a different thing. That certainly gives you base. Because of that base, you have already cleared your written test. But then your personality development, your leadership qualities, they really matter. And to keep all these things in mind, to know the problem so that you come out as a successful person in your next attempt when you are going for SSB. Thank you. Hope you found my guidance useful. Then don't forget to like, share and subscribe.